Welcome back to another adequate unboxing video. Today we have DIMB. This is stuff for teeth. I did accidentally already open this part, but I have not looked inside yet. We'll look inside together. And I guess, oh, I can feel that I've entered. There we go. So we got white toothbrush, nice. We've got your floss game upgraded, okay. Is that a good thing? This is, see it's labeled floss. Meet your smart electric toothbrush. Ooh, what have I got myself into here? Looks like I just gotta twist me. Let's look at the floss. Oh. Ah. Oh. Oh. Got it. Feels good in the hand. It's plastic, and there's a spring in there, I think. Let's try to close it. That's your floss. Alright, so this toothbrush. Let's meet them. Unpack. Already started. Okay, there's an app. Connect it. You're all set. Alright, did it. Okay. This is a very dirty surface, so probably, yeah, I should get that off that. Read then peel. This strip sticks and unsticks to any clean, shiny, dry, and then gloves. Just remove the sticker and press strip firmly on the surface for 5 seconds. Oh. I hope this still works. So I use the table, and I stick. Then I can push this, and it comes off. Oh no. Got it. And now I press the Q. Oh. This feels good on the hand and in the hand. It's got at least 1,000 bristles. Yeah, here's a close-up shot of the bristles. Yeah, there's a lot on there. That's a good... Oh, no. Yeah. Stop rotating.